Now A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively, which means A can do the piece of work in 20 days and B will take 12 days to complete the same work. Now A started to work alone. For 4 days he worked and B joined him after 4 days till the work is complete. Now the question is, how long did the work last? Let's find out. We know A can complete the work in 20 days. So in one day, A would complete 1 upon 20th of the work. And in one day, B would complete 1 upon 12th of the work. So A worked alone for 4 days. Therefore, for 4 days, the amount of work done by A is 4 into 1 by 20, which comes out to 1/5 of the work. So A has completed 1/5 of the work. So the remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 5, and 4/5 of the work is remaining. This has to be completed by both A and B. After 4 days, A joined B. After 4 days, B joined A. And now they are working together. Let's see in one day how much work they would do together. So in one day together, A and B will do this much amount of work. That is, in one day, this much work will be done by A and B together. So in one day, they can finish this much amount of work, and we need to find out how much time is it going to take to complete 4/5 of the work. Let's do it together. So the amount of work is 4 by 5, 4/5 of the total work. And A and B together can complete this much amount of work in one day. So if we divide the amount of work that can be completed in one day by the amount of work, we will get the number of days they will take together to complete the work. So let's do it quickly. So the amount of work is 4 by 5, and we will divide it by the efficiency of A and B in one day. Let's work it out. We have 4 by 5 into 5 by 15 by 2. So together, A and B will finish the rest of the work in 6 days. But that's not our question. Our question is, how much time is it going to take for them together to complete the work? The question is, how much time will it take for the work to get completed by both A and B and A alone? So A took 4 days and A and B took 6 days to complete the work. So together they took 10 days. In 10 days, the entire work will be completed. So that was easy.